Welcome back to my newest episode of Self-Care with me, Shay Bay. We have some more great things to talk about regarding your health today. So today we will be talking about wheatgrass, guys. This stuff right here. I personally get mine from Whole Foods, but you can get it at any local farmers market, or Sprouts is another store that I get my wheatgrass from. I will be taking you through 3 easy steps on how to prepare wheatgrass. I have my masticating juicer, and for the ones who do not have juicers, if you have a simple blender at home, this will work just as well. We'll also be talking about some benefits of what wheatgrass is good for, okay? So let's get started. It comes in a packet like this. Usually it is pre-cleaned, so you do not have to worry about rinsing it or anything like that. Let's do the juicer first for the ones who have this. So this one is a masticating juicer. It's a cold press juicer. There is a centrifugal, but that one works off of heat. So again, for me, I try to minimize heat as much as possible, because heat can sometimes disrupt the nutrients in the foods that we eat. So this one is a cold press, no heat whatsoever. So basically what you do, as easy as it looks, you take a little bit out at a time. Just put it in the mouth. It's okay if you make a mess. As you see, a little bit comes out at a time. I do about an ounce. So it separates it. This is the juice, and this is pretty much everything else. Look at how much juice comes out of this thing. And this actually is super dry. Like, there is no moisture left in this at all, which is amazing. So you're getting all of the fresh juice right here. Let's put another handful. That should be enough. So for me, I do about a shot. I do it maybe once or twice a month, not too often. And we'll definitely go over the benefits. So this is what you'll get. As you see, maybe this is a 4 ounce, and three handfuls will give you about an ounce. So when we say shots, this is the kind of shots that we're doing today. Look at how dense this is. You cannot see through this. Super, super dense. Super dense with nutrients, vitamins, amino acids, minerals, okay? So this is one way if you have a juicer. And for the ones who do not have a juicer, I'll take you through another process that I started out doing before I actually got the juicer. And it's just a blender. Same concept. I put maybe 2 handfuls. And again, you can make a mess because it's loose. Kind of stuff it down in there. And how much water I usually put in is how much I want to drink. So like a cup full of water to make 1 cup. That looks about good. Just pour the water in there. And I blend it until it's all green. All the water is super, super green. Pretty much dense like that in color. So I blended that for maybe 30 seconds the most. As you see, super dense in color, you cannot see through it. And so what I do next is remove the blades. And then it's the same thing, you have to strain out the pulp, pretty much how this strained out the pulp. You wanna make sure you strain out that as well. So you wanna have a cup, a base, a strainer, a really good strainer, and literally just pour the liquid in here. Me, I massage it to get as much water as possible out of it. It looks the same. I am making a mess. And it's okay if you make a mess. Same thing, super dense. Super, super dense. So you're still gonna get equally the benefits, whether you have a juicer or you use a blender, still will get the same benefits. Now let's talk about those benefits. So wheatgrass itself has 8 amino acids. Amino acids are very essential for the body. Keep in mind that we do not produce them on our own, so we have to incorporate foods that have that to keep it stored in our body. So wheatgrass has 8 essential amino acids, so definitely keep that in mind. It also is a potent detoxifier. It will remove heavy metals out of the body. We incorporate that with pescatarians, people who eat a lot of seafood. You can get a lot of mercury in the body, so that will definitely help you detox all of that heavy metal out of the body. It is a natural deodorant. So for people who have body odors, that sort of thing, it is a natural deodorant. Also, it will increase energy. So this is good for the first thing to do in the morning. That's what I do. I drink it on an empty stomach. It digests in less than a minute. So it's very, very quick. And then also I'll give myself like 30 minutes after I've drank the wheatgrass before I eat anything. It is time sensitive, so keep that in mind. As far as the raw wheatgrass, every minute that goes by, it will reduce in its nutrients value. So keep in mind, if you're going to do it raw this way, you want to drink it as soon as possible. There are other forms of wheatgrass. It's in powder form, and it also is in capsule form. But for me, I try to remain process free as possible. So for me, I definitely get the fresh wheatgrass. Some other benefits, of course, is that it is high in chlorophyll, which gives it its green color. And that is very, very good with alleviating inflammation in the body. And again, I cannot stress to you enough that it is nutrient dense with mineral and vitamins. So, and another good thing about the wheatgrass is that with this being, I think this is like 1 ounce. 1 ounce of wheatgrass is equivalent to eating 4 pounds of dark green leafy vegetables. I can't think of one other food item where you can get that amount of nutrients in a single shot. Keep all of these things in mind. Of course, have fun with creating things for yourself. Definitely do your own research. And thanks for tuning in to my mess. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for tuning in. Have a good day.